Ja, Peter, beriem si teba, Viviana, za svoju manželku a sľubujem pred všemohúcim Bohom, že ti budem verným manželom, že ťa nikdy neopustím,
ani v šťastí, ani v nešťastí, ani v zdraví,
ani v chorobe, a že ťa budem milovať a ctiť
všetky dni svojho života.
Father, I said till death do us part, I want to mean it with all of my heart. Help me to love you more than I love her. Then I know I can love her more than anyone else. And bring her in your presence today. Make her what you want her to be. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her, and will bring you glory today.
Rodičia, máte moc nad svojimi deťmi, aby ste svojim požehnaním lámali moc každého zla v živote svojich detí a lámali moc každého zla v živote vašom.
Death do us part, I want to mean it with all of my heart. Help me to love you more than I love him. Then I know I can love him more than anyone else. And bring him in your presence today. Make him what you want him to be. I pray to hear his heart. I pray he'll love you more. I pray to strengthen and serve him. We'll bring you glory today. I pray.
Lord, help me love her as you love the church, your bride.
Help me submit to him as I submit to you.
I pray to hear.
Iba láska k Bohu nás učí láske k ľuďom. Lebo pokiaľ sa nenaučíme milovať Boha, nebudeme schopní milovať seba navzájom. Nebudeme vedieť, ako milovať toho druhého, ako znášať jeho vrtochy, ako znášať jeho ťažkosti, ako znášať jeho kríže.
I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her. Will bring you glory today. I pray. This is my prayer.